Alright guys, ignore any squeaking, I'm sitting on my bed. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm Mandy and I do lifestyle videos, well, and you'll see a bit more of that later. I do lifestyle videos, I do a bit of makeup reviews, and also some unboxings and general rants about life and things that annoy me. And I might also be doing some movie reviews, so stick around, and if that's something that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe to the channel. It comes at a very amazing cost of free and free. So come join us and let's win and be amazing together. Today I'm trying out the new e.l.f. Hydrating, I say new to me, e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Oh my gosh. Also on my lips, I'm wearing the Fenty Matte Stick in Espresso with the Huda Beauty Demi Matte that I got in the last unboxing of Glossybox, which, oh, this has been amazing. I've been wearing it almost every day. Like because it's demi matte, it doesn't like dry out your lips, and which is a thing that I always suffer with. It doesn't dry your lips like massively, so it's been really nice trying that out. Ooh, saying that, let me get the previous card from last time. So just a quick review of the previous month's box, which I forgot to do in my last video, but I got a bit too excited. I was like, I've been waiting for so long. Okay, so the Glossybox Eye Boost Cream. I've been using that one since I've got it. Not that I was massively into eye creams, but when I do use it, I can see a difference in the morning where it looks a lot more moisturized. But again, I don't know if that's because of the specific eye cream or because I'm actually moisturizing under my eyes for once. But hey, it works. It works. It's a nice eye cream. Not sure if I would spend the retail price of £20 on it, or even the subscriber price of £16. Like, it seems like such a lot for such a small little cream. I don't know. Eye creams are something that I'm still like skeptical about. Okay, and then we had the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. You already know my thoughts. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'll be getting it in other colors. And then we've also got the HD Wonder Complexion sponge. Haven't actually used it yet because I had another sponge that I'm trying to like just use a couple at a time. But I think I might need it for one of my next videos, so I'll try it out then. But it worked. Yeah, it's a sponge. And then the Rhubarb and Rose Bath and Shower Gel. That was so nice. That's been so nice. I'm about halfway through on that one, even though I was like, yeah, I'll save it for when I'm going away. It smelled really nice, and I was like, I want to smell like Rhubarb and Roses. So yeah, that one's really nice, and it doesn't dry out your skin, which is important for me because I have eczema and I have to be a bit more careful with what I use. But I'm not sure if I'd spend the £20 for the full size one. I don't know if I love it that much. You can get really nice shower gels for less than that. But it's a really nice. Maybe it's a little treat me. And then last but not least, we have the Laurent Vogue lip liner. The color for me is I'd have to use that on top of a brown lip liner because that one is a little bit too light for my skin tone. So it's a nice lip liner. It's not very creamy. I found it's not like super duper smooth and creamy, but when I have used it, the color does seem to last for quite a while, so it's a good one. All right, let's get on to what you guys really came here for, the box. So I haven't opened it. All I've done is take it out of its outer packaging, and guys, it's hurt me so much to have to wait. So I'm very excited as well with you guys. I'm just gonna pause and have a drink. This is not rum. It's not our apple juice. It is something called Moby from Barbados. Moby syrup. Look it up, guys. It's really nice. Probably a bit more of an acquired taste. And yeah, the demi matte, because I've put a lip gloss over it, that's why a bit of it's actually come off on the glass. But otherwise, it tends to hold a bit better than that. I don't even know if you can see it. All right. So as we know, it comes like that. I'm just opening it up now. And it's still sealed and everything. Da-da-da. So the sneak peek that we got said we're gonna have an Avant product. So let's see what we got. And I know it's a spa theme for this month. Oh, shit, I just realized. You didn't get a... There's no card. There's no card. Did they say they're changing it to like a thing one? I don't know. Okay. I will have to look it up later and add it on to the... I'll add it on to the thing later on. Like I did for one of my other videos. But oh gosh, so much longer. Okay, it's fine. First of all, we've got the Avant Hyaluronic Vitamin C Lecithin Maris Aqua Jojoba Oil Moisturizer. Ooh, yes, I do need a face moisturizer, and it's in a 50ml one. I'm going to assume, I think this is the one that we got the spoiler for, so it is worth £89. 89, guys, this is my hand. I've got a small hand. £89, okay. All right, I will try it out. So it's a vitamin C one. Okay, so I might have to be careful using this because I'm using quite a few vitamin C dark spot things, so I might just need to try it out. It does say caution, carry out a patch test 24 hours before first use, and you can apply in the morning and evening after cleansing and applying your serum. And yeah, it's got some nice little oils in it and seawater. Okay, well, that's what Maris Aqua is, seawater, which is very salty. Wouldn't have thought that would have been a thing to put into face care, but we try. All right, so that's the first product. Look forward to trying that out and see how that goes. Ooh. Okay. We've got, I've got more things in here than I expected to see. We've got the Generation Skin Brightening Kakadu Plum Oil Patches. And this is one pair. Okay, and that's it there. Okay, so it says Australian superfood. Kakadu plum is or whatever kakadu. Said to be the most abundant natural source of vitamin C in the world. Ooh, meaning it is jam-packed with skin-loving antioxidants. This ingredient will help to banish dark circles, even out skin tone, and visibly energize. Consider these patches exactly what you need to look alert and refined, even if you don't feel it on the inside. All right, okay, so that's one pair. That seems like it'll be nice. Okay, so I'm feeling the spa theme here. So you create your nice little spa. You got on your eye patch, and you're chilling, you're relaxing. That's what I need. Saying that, I've got the ultimate, the best thing for an at-home spa. I will show it to you guys at the end of me unboxing. But that will take your spa experience. Two things. I'll take your spa experience from meh to yeah. All right, and the thing that I spotted, but I was like, let me wait it out. We got a mini or deluxe sample. I'm not sure. It looks like a deluxe sample of the Huda Beauty. Well, it's all by Huda Katan, and it's the Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. And it's 20 mils, and it looks, that's really interesting. So that's it there. I don't know if you can see it. Ooh. YouTuber hand. But yeah, that's okay. I'm really looking forward to trying that because I've seen it, but I was like, don't know if I was ready to make the jump into it. But yeah, it's pineapple enzymes, papaya enzyme, alpha hydroxy acid, and beta hydroxy acid. So looking forward to that. All right, this was a really good box, guys. A great box. Okay, and then for fourth product, we've got an exfoliating coffee scrub. And this one's by Mindtan. It's an exfoliating scrub for buttery, smooth, soft skin. So yeah, it's meant to, what does it have inside? So it's meant to exfoliate and revitalize your skin with this full body caffeine kick. Buff on freshly ground coffee to smooth your skin and target imperfections such as dry, flaky skin, uneven skin tone, breakouts, and stretch marks. Okay, I've got stretch marks on my arms and that booty, so it would be nice. Let me see what you can do for that. I doubt, but the only thing I found where it's some stretch marks is bio oil. Bio oil, guys, that will clear. Stretch marks be gone while you use it. They will come back when you stop using it, just so you know. Enriched with ultra hydrating sweet almond oil and macadamia oil. Ooh, your skin will be feeling oh so buttery soft, smooth and glowing. Use in the shower on a regular basis and you'll be up your bathe factor in no time. Alright, so use in the shower. I have never used these kind of coffee scrubs before. But from hearing other people's opinions, it gets messy. It gets messy. So maybe I'll be more of a feet kind of scrub. This one will be rather than a full body because my shower does not do well with I've got an electric shower and it doesn't do well with these kind of bits everywhere. So, but I'll give it a go and I'll let you guys know how it is. I'm going to assume that this is a full size sound. I don't know. I'll let you know. Anyway, that's it there by Mind Tan. And this one you've seen quite a few of the different beauty boxes making the rounds. So, and I think you just get it in like different sizes. And we've got more things. It keeps going. And then we've got the Imperial Leather Foam Boast. Ooh, that sounds. Oh yes. Foam Burst Ultimate Moisture 3-day long-lasting moisturization. Golden amber and coconut oil for instantly softer, smoother skin. And that's whipped cream body wash. Let me give it a smell. Ooh. Oh guys. That smells nice. That smells really nice. Okay, I'm just gonna assume it's like one of those foamy. Do I want to open this right now? Oh, okay, it's a hole. Is it? Oh, it's got a hole. It's got a whole thing. It's not easy to. I'll come back to you guys with that one. But it's just one of those ones that you just do it and it has like it comes up with the big shower foam and then it's very nice. But it has a quarter moisturizing oils, 3-day moisture with just one use. I don't know about 3-day moisture, man. My skin says no. My skin says you better moisturize every day. I don't know who you think this is. It 2-in-1. It cleanses and conditions in one step. It's great for shaving. Yes, we like that. And it's up to 15 showers per pack. And it's a good size as well. It's like one of those deluxe sample sizes. So yeah, that's it there. That's the foam burst. Yeah, I'm really liking that. I'm looking forward to this. And they threw in, because they like us, and they also threw in a chocolate, guys. A Lindor milk chocolate bar. I won't even wait. I'm just gonna eat it out. Why wait for a spa? Like, I'll figure it out. Okay, so I'll have to put up at the end how much. Ooh, it's slightly melted. I'll have to put it. Ooh, it's melted on the inside. I'm like, what box? It's about the chocolate now. I'll put up at the end or somewhere around here exactly how much the box is worth, because obviously I've got no information for you guys. I was doing my research. I actually found out that there was 3 versions of this box. Everyone got the scrub and the foam bursts and the Advanced Skincare, but one set of people got the LMS enzyme scrub instead of the Huda Beauty one, and quite controversially, the first time subscribers actually got another full-size product, which was this skin therapy thing. To be honest, I don't mind not getting that, but I think they should have definitely given us another full-size product as well. But hey, it is what it is right now, and hopefully the next box will be a bit more equal. I hope you enjoyed this one. First review, chocolate is good. I think we already knew that though. Chocolate is very good. All right. So, sorry, I'm so happy about chocolate right now. The thing I was going to show you is okay, my phone was a bit rude. there and it fell off of everything and everything fell down. What I wanted to show you guys was this baby. Oh, my hands might have a bit of makeup on them. Okay, this is a aroma diffuser, and this one's an electric. This one you have to plug in, but you put the essential oils in the actual. You put some water on the inside of it, and then you drip some essential oils in there. Then you close it back on, and then it just like it comes out in like a lovely little fumes out and about. And oh my gosh, you can make your room or wherever you put it smell like a spa. It's really nice, and it's kind of in that aromatherapy kind of, just very relaxing. And you can put in different scents, some to kind of like uplift you in the morning, or some to just kind of help you to sleep. It's so nice, so nice. Or even when you're like meditating, lovely, sets the scene for that. And this is from, what brand is this? Oh, it's a Homemedics one. Homemedics one, maybe about, I think I got it for about 20 something, but I think it was originally maybe 50. But you can always find them. You can find them anywhere. Find them anywhere. Just make sure you get the ones that are you put the oils in the water, not the other ones where they're just kind of dry, because you're not gonna get any scent from that, guys. There's no point. There is no point. There's no point that you're not gonna get any scent from that. And you just have to make sure you use the right kind of oils in essential oils. Don't try to mix up other liquids into, no, it's a fire hazard, just so you know. Then this other thing will elevate your spa experience. These guys, the jade rollers. I know everyone's like, oh, they got jade rollers all the time. Is it actually worth it? And they're always trying to sell them for like £20 and stuff. It's worth it. It's hands down. For me, I feel like it's worth it. Like just for kind of like having that daily kind of treat yourself feeling of like just rolling in your like serums, and it's just like a nice little, it's just like a lovely massage, and it really gets your serums to kind of sink in better. Ooh, bit of air there. It really gets your serums to sink in better. And then this one for the eye. And if you put them in the fridge, guys, if you put them in the fridge on a hot day, you're there. You were there. Even on a cold, even on not a hot day, like it was still really, wow, that was really rude. That was very rude. It just fell off in my hand. But yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Stuck it back. Yeah, make sure you get a good quality one. Get a good quality one that won't break in your hand. And yeah, create your own spa at home experience, guys. You don't need to go out. Who needs to go out? You don't need to go out. So all in all, I think this is a great box. Everything was a bit small but mighty. So you got like a nice little coffee scrub, nice eye patches, you got the facial moisturizer, you got the whipped cream body wash, and then we've also got the Yo Glow enzyme scrub. So yeah, I think this is a great box. Great box. So, you know, guys, stay tuned, and in the next one I'll let you know how my spa at home went. And you know, if you want to actually see me do like use all the products and stuff in another video, comment down below and let me know. All right, so thank you for watching, and see you next time. All right, thank you. Bye.